Hadian Bontali Kisnam, Hubert Memorial Higher Secondary School, Umpling, Sashisian Biankala Rakhi Buram Yaka sneaker pang Kmie Kikpa, Lani ka Parents Day, Hakastan Taregunai Wing Araja Arpusau. Hakaniga Sngi Lawan Bansaki Langdoba Panyat Sings in Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Kumukongsan, Haringkat Gajayadon Lang Sister Mabel Dakar, Superior General Kaseng Reunion, Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco, Father John Wa Lang Parish Priest, Sister Angela Kharkongor Sister Superior, Sister Julie Lingdot Lingkoi Principal, Kidkot Kadorbash Nong Umpling, Sin Rose Lima Parish, Kmie Kikpa, Kiwashakot Ngobha Bat Kiwi. Hakaning ski la saki yaki program bapher balapan iker pang daki hybrid bat ki Khynnah kaning school ban pen pau ka Jingsumar buram bat ka jing ai khuble yala ki Kmie kikpa kiba ai jing kran hakaning sngi ki kan thop yau kongsan uba panyat sings iem uba William Ping Rob unong mi khmat ki Kmie kikpa but sister principal.
Morning for me this event is truly one of the most treasured moments in this academic year that I hold very close in my heart. After a number of years, the school community once again is celebrating their Parents' Day. It feels like a homecoming when we gather together this morning, this day, to honor the very special people in the lives of our students, to celebrate together the vital role that each one of you, dear parents, play in the lives of our beloved students. Therefore, this Parents' Day is not just another event in the school calendar, but it is a day that reminds us of the deeper bonds, connection that shape moments together like this. You work tirelessly to provide for their every need. In fact, you go the extra mile to show your utmost care, offering time and again comfort to your children after difficult days, perhaps, and also celebrating their small victories as if they are your very own. I know this because I see it reflected in the way your children walk through our doors every day, full of love, full of confidence and hope, and all combined with smiles on their faces. And for us, it's about recognizing that behind every smile of our students, behind every achievement of our students, there is a parent or a guardian like you who supports, who guides, who cares, and who take every step for their welfare, for their well-being. This day is also very personal to me, not only because I am the principal, but more especially because of the deeply cherished values of family and the very fact that we are celebrating as a school community. We want to convey the message that we deeply value family life. We deeply treasure the bond, the connection that between you and the children. And before they part from one another, a small hug like that, small embrace, I could see the faces of the children being lighted up the moment the parents give a hug.
move and freeze. Everybody shake your body from your head down to your feet. And don't stop shaking until we stop the beat. Shake it to the east and shake it to the west. Shake it, shake it, shake it with my friends who are the best. Come on, shake and freeze.
If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water, You feel defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up like you no longer have the strength to fight. Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night. But on your own you never know, you never know. You can do anything, you can do anything, you can do anything if you believe. Dần dần a cháu đêm ta mà siêu vắng yang ka ai sang ta mà lặng dần lặng đã lệ say cắt nô đang hấp dần đê ngang đã dần xem a cháu đêm đã dần xem thô
Lada pi buram ni Kmie ba pinyo ke jingiem ke berjrom pinyo kerda berjrom ke Bible ke lakular ya kata boleh lakular ada ke jingfo but ke Bible ke don ke jingfo ke boong lada pipa la piduna ke jinsta tu pipa no boleh dan ke dok nur baro kata di ke ba kihap dan suku kumki student Pidon hakani ke jaga pulih ke ba internet ke ba bahar ke ba piyo jihikai hati yang baru dengan kernen scam ba pinle bahar ba ke jingkel ku ke dok jonga kalong ba fin pass bahawat ik exams ke ban one nish man lanjan dan long ke exams you prepare the best wishes from my side to all the students trishkam ai ke bahatam boleh kuat bahar buat ke besar boleh latih boleh te saya hisian nasuban ai boleh kerpang yo baru mulai don hange hitam Kmie pa belum resmi buram sni kerpang majumpi bapin biang bapin bit hakikam kijam majumpi utre kino nikam lada kalau hakno kedua bentar nasuban tulku kedua eti bapin biang bit But om tandata ba pinyo ikamet kam shat friend ba kwat kya ba Khynnah ban trade ba kunju Khynnah ban shipmentan ban kunbhan ya ke imlang salang lingba ke jing dan jong ki kun ki jong ki hakin di school ban ki jakar per kumlei shibun kumlei shajan no ki ba.
On this day, the special day, I would also like to invite and urge each and every one of us here, be it Sister Principal, the school authority, the teachers, and even we, the parents. Let us keep aside all the differences that we may have. We may not like Sister A or Sister B. We may not like Teacher A or Teacher B. It doesn't matter. What we need to have is the coordination, the collaboration in bringing up our children for a better tomorrow that has been entrusted to us by our God, the Heavenly Father. Ngalapan niya may siya. Duay yaw blay, mangigi kimigig pa. Ladangi kwa kikon jongi kinumyo ya kan karaybi. Duay but pan maam na ublay man ladas ngi hagajingim jongi. Hap duay. Dam duay kikon jongi kin sapoy show brox. Dam duay kikon jongi kin sangmap hagajing aurea. Ladang yim duay kikon jongi kin sapoy siya hagajing chot. Nakot nga wer. Yay way nangi kikimigig pa. Ngidon gam. Om tang ban sneng nagsintur. Ngri ban pai siya ublay banong ngamla ban pet siya lanti yagi kun jonga. Ri mami, ker mami, tuda mami. Sa sisir, kublay shibon yakan ikalat kabu kapapiaya nga. Bangan yeng, ban kren haga kerteng jong kikimigik pa. Nadu meneng akunyo, ban mentangas ngola kambiang lanang melen. Rai ban sisiteng kentarong panlaylay. Mo, tenray nganong sa sisien kukhun bai tapi kwa ang tranjrong na nganong do kukhun bai jongi iway pa iway kalaway jong pi kadai hakti jong pi je imay pa jong pi je kinong hikay jong pi kikhun jong pi kin sa je pi Khynnah school ki pikin sa iya pi baro nangingin sa long kumilong pa kendian mut kiban long padar long sustar dai nam dai gon na peng jongingin sa long nong hikai hakata kapor sa la ki kena watong ka kena dakat ken mau ngala long teng mensua la pikwa bagi kon kinnum long kumta kidai balle ayu sedang mentasi nalabi im kecingin babah ikon jom pikin sa imlang kecingin babah kublai shi hajar ngo all the best dear students for your exams and God bless you abundantly. You are our joy, you are our happiness, you are our everything. So God bless you and God bless each and every one of us present here. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you for the prompt response to our invitation. Thank you for being here. Without your presence, this celebration will have no meaning at all. Kublai Shibun, May, Pa, but Piki Bahaying Hasem to Khynnah School Jungi, Yakajing Kajingklod ng siyem, kajingatray lang jang himan makapor, bat kiba penyat school hakabayaday, bat kapapenhe pinsan ni kikun kikti jungi, kerpang hakalyang kapulirang ni. Kani kadigas ni kerpang jangpi, kublai shibun pelat por, bansaki, yaini dak barat jang kajingsong iye jungi pi. Kajingdong rentak jangpi, kapelong ya kanigas ni kabajak. प्रिय माता पिता हमारे पास आपका धन्यवाद करने के लिए पर्याप्त शब्द नहीं है हम कभी भी आपका पूरा धन्यवाद नहीं कर सकते जो भी समर्थन और योगदान आपने हमारे स्कूल के लिए दिए हैं आप सब लोगों का आभारी प्रकट करती हूँ और आप विशेष तरीके से मैं आपका इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित होने के लिए आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ आप लोगों के बिना पेरेंट्स डे का उत्सव अधूरा रहेगा एक बार फिर आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद and thank you to all. May God bless all of us and let us continue to be God's blessing to one another. Kublai Shibun, thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya